You can now take notes with Essay. To access your notes, head to the Notes page of your Essay home. This is a great place to start collecting research for a new writing project, or to jot down ideas as they come to you and keep them organized. You can create a note by clicking here. Clicking on a note opens it up in the Note panel. You can edit the content of your note, tag it by clicking here, or link the note to an essay. To link a note to an essay, click on the Essay Link icon and select an essay, or create a new one by typing a title. Clicking on the essay link will take you to that essay. You can access all the notes linked to the current essay by opening the Notes toolbar. Create a quick note by clicking here. If you want to write a longer note, or just want more space to work with, you can open the Note panel by clicking this icon. You can create notes linked to specific parts of your writing. From Outline and the Reorder Paragraph view, you can link notes to paragraphs, headings, or outline topics. To create a note linked to an outline topic, select the outline topic from Outline and click the Add a Note icon here. This is a great way to start planning your outline using the research you've collected. Clicking on the Note badge opens the Notes toolbar and shows all the notes linked to that outline topic. You can also click the outline topic link in the note to navigate to that outline topic. From Rewrite, or the Reorder Sentence view, you can create notes linked to your sentences. Select the sentence and click the Add a Note button here. Taking notes on your sentences can help inform your future edits in a very organized and useful way. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about using notes on Essay by reading our notes article in the Support Center.